Good morning, guys. It is Friday, August 24th, 2018, and I decided I would film a day in the life today. So yesterday was my birthday and it was really nice. I didn't do much during the day because hubby is in this like new training program, so he couldn't take the day off. So I was with the kids all day, and I did a little bit of shopping with them, and then at night we went to dinner. Hubby had flowers delivered to me, which was nice, and he brought him flowers like the night before, so that was really nice. I love flowers. I love fresh flowers. We went out to dinner to this restaurant that we hadn't been to yet in Tampa, and it was so nice. I really enjoyed it. I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing just a plain white v-neck long sleeve top with this super duper cute skirt that I got on Amazon. Excuse the bed, it's not made. I'm wearing my Givenchy tote tonight and my white mules. So the lighting is not the greatest, but this is the finished look. Very simple face, nude lip, wing liner, kind of like a smoky eye effect. And yeah, I'm just wearing these chandelier earrings. And I think I'm happy with the way it looks for just like a Thursday night dinner. We are at dinner.
Yeah.
Kind of dark.
You wave to the camera, say hi. Good job, man.
Hey, Mama. Say hi. Nice. I really enjoyed it. So it was a nice day. I think he has something planned for me this weekend. I'm not entirely sure. He was hinting at it, so we'll see. But it was a nice chilled out birthday. Before the kids, we would always like travel. That was what we loved to do for my birthday and his birthday. But since the kids are here now, it's a little bit tougher to do that. But it was still a really nice birthday. So I am in my headscarf and my robe, so you know it's the morning time. But we've been up for a while. I just had a chance to pick up the camera. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Today we don't have much planned. I'm gonna go grocery shopping, gonna go to the car wash, and then come back home with the kids. Good morning, Miss Lady. Giselle. Say cheese. No. No, you're not gonna say cheese. You're not gonna say cheese. You're not gonna say cheese. I was tickling her little feet. Tickling her little feet. So Miss Giselle had a few servings of granola. Hi, Mama. She had some granola this morning, which she loves to have in the mornings. And then she also had, let my hand go. Let my hand go. Let my hand go. She also had kind of like a little smoothie I made for her this morning with some raw organic meal and almond milk. So she's just about done with that. Let me see if she wants the rest of that. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. You think you want to finish it? She is getting sick. Or she is sick. She's been sneezing and there's a lot of mucus. Her brother was the same way at the beginning of this week, so he passed it on to her, and I'm guessing he picked it up at church over the weekend when they were in kids' church. So, but it doesn't seem to be anything crazy. It seems like it's something really mild. I'm hoping she takes it the same way. Wanted to show you guys my bouquet for my birthday that hubby got me. This is it right here. It is so beautiful. That's actually a smiley face mug holding the flowers. I had another one, but the handle broke, so he got me a new one. And then at dinner yesterday night, this was what they gave me for my birthday. And it's a box of truffles. Oh, let me see if I can open it with one hand. As you can see, I got to 2 of them already, and I'll be working on the other 2 later today for sure. But this was what they gave me, and this was the name of the restaurant we went to. Such a nice restaurant concept. The food was amazing. So good. Wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing today. So I just purchased these plain long sleeve v-neck tees from Amazon. This is the one I wore last night to dinner. It wasn't dirty, so I'm actually wearing it again today. But I'm just wearing that with these mocha colored leggings. These leggings feel so soft. They feel like micro the microfiber cloths. That's exactly what these feel like. And then I have some sandals, which I'll show you guys what I'm wearing today. And then I am just rocking my Givenchy tote today, which I also used it last night. But I just decided to wear it today, especially with this outfit. I feel like it looks really nice. Has the animal print and has black, and my sandals are black. So that's the look. Super duper simple.
To join a network of mommies who inspire each other every single week, subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.
So this is the bag right here, and let me show you guys what I'm carrying today. So the bag comes with a pouch, and the only thing I have in here, or what I like to keep in here when I carry this bag, are my feminine hygiene products. And then I have my toiletry pouch, which has my cosmetics, and I like to keep my wallet in there since it's kind of inside the pouch. Some hand cream, some hand sanitizer, that's what's in there. And then I have my phone in here, my keys, my key holders in here. I have some just extra napkins in case I need them. I also have in here my hand wipes, which I need to refill. My sunglasses case. I have a hairbrush in there, which I'm not going to show. And then I have some mints in here. And that's it. It looks pretty neat in here because I have all these different little bags and stuff. So that is what I'm carrying today. Brush, brush, brush. Other side. Cheese. No, stand still. Keep your head still. Cheese. Good job. Eilan picked out his outfit today. He picked out this shirt. He said, I want to wear this shirt. So he's wearing this, it's like a light blue shirt with like gray trim. And then he's wearing his little shorts. I got these shorts at Target. Did you pick out your outfit today?
Pick out your outfit today.
Yeah. And then I moisturized his hair. It's looking nice and soft and supple. I use my homemade moisturizer, which is aloe vera gel, sweet almond oil, and water. So yeah, he picked out his own outfit today, guys. That's her little look today. And there they go. These are the shoes that I'm going to be wearing today. That is what they look like. They are Gianni Beanie. Gianni Beanie. And I got these yesterday, actually. They were, I don't know if you can see the sticker in here. I'm not returning these anyway, so yeah, but they were $31.49 from $89.99. And I was just shopping a little bit yesterday, not really planning on buying anything, but since it was my birthday and since these were at a great price, I went ahead and picked them up. I'm not going to put them on inside, but these are what I'm wearing today.
Hi, may I please have 2 old-fashioned donuts, a veggie egg white on a croissant, and then 2 orders of, actually 3 orders of hash browns.
That's where we're going. We're going to get the car wash next. Should be fun. We're going to get the outside of the car washed.
Yes. Thank you. Yeah, I like it. It fits 2 kids in there. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. You too.
We got the donuts.
Yes, we got the food.
We gotta go to car wash.
Yes, Daddy's gonna call us very soon. So I want to wait until he calls us. We are going to wait for Daddy to call us, and then we're gonna go do the car wash after we talk to him. There we go. Daddy's calling. Hey, babe.
Hey, sweetheart. How's it going?
Good. I was just telling Eilan that we're gonna wait till you call.
That's perfect. It worked out perfectly. That's good. Sound like you guys having a good day. I'm happy about that.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, buddy. How's it going? I know you've been saying hey, Dad, for a while. But we're going to pray so we could...
Pray, okay. So, guys, we are going to wash the car. I've actually never been through one of these things on my own. Usually hubby's driving and he does all this stuff.
You are now ready to enter the car wash.
It's gonna be fun. Yeah, car wash.
Neutral pen.
Pull it off the brake. There you go. Have a good one.
Here we go. Wow. Look at Eilan's face. Isn't it fun? Look at those big brushes. They're gonna brush the car. It's gonna get so clean. Isn't that cool? See the soap on the windshield? Big brush is coming. It's gonna brush it all off. Baby girl wakes up, we'll actually go inside and grocery shop, but for right now I'm just gonna sit in the parking lot, eat my food, have my coffee, and then we'll go grocery shopping. We did the car wash, so that's check. So now I just have to go grocery shopping. I am looking for some shade for us to park in some shade. Maybe right here. So this is the drink I got. I watched this other vlogger. I think her channel is called Happy Stylish Mommy, and she was talking about this drink that she gets. She gets hers with like half and half. I got mine with almond milk, but it's basically a double shot of espresso with your choice of whatever you want in it. I got 3 pumps of caramel sauce or caramel syrup, and then I got it in a grande cup to give some room to it, and then I got some almond milk with it, and that's what it looks like. It's called an iced doppio espresso. Go ahead and mix it up and see how it tastes. Hers looks so good. I'm like, that is on point. That is on point, guys. And it's super strong. So the cool thing is I got ice in it in a big cup, so it will have room to dilute. So it's gonna get like a little less intense. As time goes on, it'll get a little less intense. That is wonderful. Wonderful. I got him and Giselle an old-fashioned donut. And then I got them some hash browns, and then I got myself a veggie egg white omelet on a croissant and some hash browns for me too. So I'm going to eat. Hey y'all, it is like maybe an hour later. It's like 2 hours later, and I'm just not leaving the grocery store. So between the car wash, getting food, and grocery shopping, it's 2 hours later. So headed home now. My camera battery died, so I am using my phone just to get this little clip. Can you say hi? Eilan says.
Car wash?
Did you have fun at the car wash? Did you? He keeps saying he had fun at the car wash, but he says it in the form of a question. But little Mrs. Fussy, I'm guessing she's hungry. So we're getting ready to leave right now. It is 4:17 p.m. So a couple hours after our grocery shopping trip. Hubby should be getting off in another 45 minutes or so. I'm about to try to edit as much as I can, and then as soon as he gets home to relieve me of the kids, I'm gonna whip us up a really quick dinner. So I wasn't gonna put her down for her nap, but she was like really fussy and acting like she wanted to go down. She was rubbing her eyes because she napped in the car earlier, but I figured, well, maybe since she didn't nap in her bed, she might really want to nap in her bed, and this is what she's doing. I'll just keep an eye on her while I edit a little bit. So that's what's going on right now, and I am so proud of myself because I promised you guys I would give you a video every other day for the rest of this month. And I'm really happy that I've been keeping on track with that, and I wanted to do it for the launch party, of course, which if you don't know, a launch party is going on right now. That's what these videos are a part of, and there's also a giveaway. If you haven't watched that video, click the card above and watch it. Besides the launch, I really wanted to push myself to make more content because I was toying around with the idea of being very frequent on my channel. This is something I love, and I definitely feel like God is calling me to inspire in this specific way, and I won't know what can happen unless I put the work in. And that's kind of been my intention, and yeah, I'm just loving it. I love creating content. I feel like I'm creating content that has a purpose. Let me go ahead and stop babbling and get back to work. So I just finished dinner. Giselle had to have some leftovers because she was tired, and we put her to bed. Let me show you what I cooked.
Hey.
Babe's home, and Eilan needs to go to bed so Babe and I can have a movie night. So you're gonna eat your spaghetti? I guess that means yes. So this is what I made. I found this recipe on Pinterest. This has been our go-to for quite some time. It's like I would say it's like a Thai spaghetti dish, like a Thai noodle dish. It's garlicky. It's I don't know. It's like sweet. It's really good. It's really good. And I add shrimp to mine. If I can find the Pinterest recipe, I'll link it below. My battery is about to die on this camera, but that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one.